If we do not arrest this problem, we will see more adolescents, mas maraming bata pumapasok sa e-cigarettes. No? A majority of them are new smokers. And this is what I am worried about. We see the need to address this issue by changing the consumption habits of the young. Hopefully, no more young will enter into this e-cigarettes. But the adolescents, ito yung mga teenagers, age 13 all the way to 19. Some of them hindi pa marunong magpumili. No? Mga bata to no? Hindi sila marunong pumili at pinipili nila yung hindi maganda para sa kanilang kalusugan. No? So this is why we called for this hearing, and we want to review the tax rates of e-cigarettes because we see this issue coming to fore.